if you're looking to get started with affiliate marketing, but you have a very limited budget, work with what you got. So let's say if you cannot invest too much into paid advertising, then I would recommend that you put your focus on free marketing for the meantime. So there's Facebook and YouTube. I highly recommend those two because they're synonymous together. So I would use YouTube for video marketing, YouTube videos, YouTube shorts, and I would also use Facebook to start building your personal brand. But don't overwhelm yourself. I highly recommend that you just start with those two things. This is what's actually been helping me get leads and sales into my business just from using these two platforms. So make sure that if you have a limited budget, just stick with free marketing for the meantime. But I would also recommend you get resourceful. So let's say you don't have much money coming in right now for whatever reasons or whatever situation that you're faced in right now. Well, you got to figure out a way to be able to earn that extra income to be able to invest back into the business. And it doesn't matter how you do it. You can either get another job, you can go sell possessions or do some selling online of things that you know that can earn you money right away. You can even do like app-based jobs like Uber or Lyft. There's a lot of ways you can approach getting resourceful in a time of limited resources, but it's up to you on how you want to do it because everyone's going to be different. Everyone's unique. So whatever you can do to get resourceful in increasing your budget for affiliate marketing, then do what you must. Because if this is really important to you, you're going to not make excuses and you're going to get resourceful in a time of limited resources and you will find a way to make it through. But for now, just work with what you got and do free marketing. Take the time to learn and invest into how those skill sets work, how they can be beneficial for your business. Continue to take action every single day and find a way to get resourceful in increasing your weekly capital.